It's been a while, but we are back with another mind-blowing journey into the world of numbers. I am Sriram, and this is your High Maths Academy channel. We took a little break, but maths never stops, and neither do we. Let's start our new video. In this video, we are discussing about the blueprint, breakdown of syllabus, time management of the CBSE maths board exams. Get ready for exciting journey of maths, and let's make math magic happen. Let's start our video with the best quotation. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So don't postpone your work for the next day. If you have time, try to complete your entire work today. If you have enough time to do the next work, try to do it now itself. So don't postpone it. If you are doing your best today, definitely you will get best results on the next day. Let's coming to the main point. From February 15 onwards, the examinations are commencing. CBSE board examinations are commencing. So all students are started preparation already. Let's see how to deal with the maths examination, and let us see some techniques which helps you to present your maths examination and get best from your maths examination. See, most of the students get fear of the maths examination, but it is nothing like that. It is very easy if you answer the question smartly and if you handle the time smartly. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the blueprint and the syllabus division and the time management and how you should have to manage the 3 hours of time. And let us discuss with the syllabus breakdown of your coming examination. See, the entire syllabus was divided into 7 units mainly, that is number systems, algebra, coordinate geometry, geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, and statistics and probability. See, in this algebra part, you have again two subdivisions, that is quadratic equations, polynomials, arithmetic progressions, linear equation in two variables. Coming to the geometry part, you have similar triangles and circles. And coming to the trigonometry, you have another small part, applications of trigonometry. And in statistics and probability and in mensurations, you are going to do about the surface area and volume. So total, there are 7 units. And each unit, number systems, you are getting 60 marks out of that 80 marks paper. And from algebra, you are getting 20 marks. And if you observe, algebra is the main important topic and most marks will appearing from this algebra part. So be prepared for this algebra. And coming to the coordinate geometry, it is of 6 marks and geometry is 15 marks. From both triangles and circles, it is 15 marks. Coming to the trigonometry and applications of trigonometry, it is together 12 marks. Coming to mensuration, it is of 10 marks. Coming to statistics and probability, it is of 11 marks. Total, you are writing 80 marks written examination and you are having 20 internal assessment marks. And these 20 internal assessment marks are classified or taken on three bases. One is paper, pen test, and multiple assessment, that is of 10 marks. Your portfolio, that is of 5 marks, and your lab practicals, that is of 5 marks. Total 20. And 80 marks paper pen test in the main examination and 20 marks from internal. Total it is of 100 marks. You are going to give your exam for 100 marks. Coming to the blueprint. This or examination paper design or paper pattern. Your exam paper will divided into mainly 5 sections. That is section A of 1 markers, section B of 2 markers, section C of 3 markers, section D of 5 markers, and section E of 4 markers. Let us see in each section what it will be there. In section A, you are having total 20 MCQ parts. In that, 18 are MCQs and 2 is assertion reasoning, 20 marks. Coming to section B, it is of 2 markers. In this, you need to answer 5 questions. And very interesting thing is this year, the CBSE is including 2 internal choice questions. Previously, you people having only 1 internal choice. This year onwards, they are including 2 internal choice questions in section B, C, and D. In section C, you are going to write 3 marker questions, each question, and there are 6 questions. In this also, you are getting 2 internal choice questions. And in section D, you need to write 5 marks, 5 marker questions of 4 questions. See, here also you are getting 2 internal choice questions. This is very crucial part. And coming to section E, and everyone can score maximum in section E and section A. Why? Because section A is MCQs, section E is case-based questions. In this, each question carries 4 marks. They are having 3 questions. First question is 1 mark, second question is 1 mark, and the third question is of 2 marks. In this second question, you have internal choice. In this second question, you have internal choice. So totally you are going to give 80 marks, MCQs of 20 marks, 2 markers are 5 questions, 10 marks, and section 3 markers you are need to write 6 questions, and 5 markers you need to write 4 questions, and section is of 3 marks. And coming to the next, it is very, very essential. Most of the students will fail to manage their 3 hours time properly. So it is very essential, and you need to utilize the 3 hours very smartly. See, everyone will answer the entire question paper if you give the freedom of time. Means take your own time and answer, means everyone can answer full marks. But the thing is, you need to answer the given question paper in the 3 hours of time. So you need to show your smartness here. So here I have some tips. You need to divide the time slot of 3 hours into subparts, and you need to spend on that. See, instead of this 3 hours time, you have 15 minutes of reading time before exam starts. So this is very, very important reading time. See, you need to understand each and every question in the question paper in this 15 minutes of time. And you should have to spend 10 minutes for that. And remaining 5 minutes, what you should have to do? Again, come to the MCQ parts. You should try to answer maximum MCQs in this 5 minutes. Means you should not write on the paper. Just you can identify the answer and keep in your mind. And when the long bell rings and the exam starts, you should start with MCQ part. Or some students will start with essay question, 5 markers. It's your wish. But in that 5 minutes of that reading time, you should answer half of the MCQs and put in your mind. Now, if you start MCQs first, you take 1 minute for each MCQs. So total 20 MCQs, you will get 20 minutes of time. So for instance, I will give 10 more minutes here. So total 30 minutes of time you should have to complete your MCQ part. Then the rest 1.5 hours, we should have to plan for the objective type, no, subjective type. In section B, you have 2 marks. You need to spend at least 2 to 3 minutes for each 2 marker. So maximum time you can spend is 10 to 15 minutes here on 2 markers. Don't spend more than that. If you are feeling that some question is killing the time, skip that question and go to the next question. Coming to section C, it is of 3 markers. So for each question, you need to spend 4 to 5 minutes. So 6 questions, if you consider each question 5 minutes, you will get 30 minutes easily here. Not more than that. See, be conscious. If any question is killing the time, please skip that question and go to the next question. You will get time. First, complete the rest of the part. Now coming to the section D, it's the 5 markers, very crucial thing. Here you need to give 10 minutes for each question. So 4 times it is 40 minutes. And if you include 5 more minutes extra, okay, no issue. Here you can answer in a 45 minutes. This is the maximum time. Don't give more than that. And coming to the section E, it is a case based. So absolutely we will take some extra time to understand the case question and to answer the questions. So for answering the questions, you need to take 10 minutes. So 3 times 30. And for understanding the case based questions, you will take some more 15 minutes time. So here you need to spend 45 minutes of time. Instead of spending this all time, you left with 20 to 15 minutes free time after completion of your exam. Now it is very important. This is known as revision time. You need to spend this 15 minutes time to revise your answer sheets whether you did properly or not. And if any skip either na, if you are feeling any difficulty, or if you are feeling that the time is killing, you need to skip that questions. That questions you need to answer in this revision time. So try to save the maximum time wherever you can. Wherever you can, you need to save the time, and you need to spend the time for the questions which will take more time. So total 180 minutes completed. This is the smart way and intelligent manner to complete your exam. This is for both standard and basic also. The same pattern will opt for the both standard and basic. And coming to the next, we already familiar about the all deleted topics. Am I right? I think no need to explain this all. If you don't know, just click a screenshot of this and keep with you. And you should keep this while you are practicing. Don't waste your time on the unnecessary things which was already deleted from the topic. So be conscious and practice, and you need to practice smartly. Don't spend more time on the less marks based questions. See, from real numbers, there is a damn sure questions. You know that root 3, proving irrational number, that is a damn sure question. So you need to work on that. You already know it. So you should have to plan your schedule, plan your studies smartly. Don't spend the more time on the unnecessary topics. You should have to spend smartly, which the question will definitely ask. You need to sit on the topic and you need to do more questions practice on more models you need to practice. This all we will see in the coming videos. And the one more important thing I want to announce with you, in the next video, we are starting a series of CBSE board examinations. So from every topic, the definite questions will come, and you need to answer that you can understand it, and the various models I will cover in that videos. So stay tuned to my channel, and all the very best for coming videos. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos if you like, and share to your friends. Let them learn. Thank you.